Howdy everybody, Ian McLeod, all over luxury real estate, posting another one of these videos because the simple fact is that people keep messing up and it's totally avoidable. First, problems occur when one side or the other feels they've been treated unfairly. Often this happens over a credit request or a request for repairs. So good agents are going to go to great lengths to avoid this type of thing and to anticipate any problems that are really going to come up at any point in the escrow. Today's example is from a home that I have in escrow right now. It's a new construction property, and about 60 days ago when we got this into escrow, I drafted the following verbiage into the offer, which alleviated a lot of stress. It says, buyer agrees to remove the home inspection, buyer agrees to remove the inspection contingencies if seller agrees to fix or rectify all items on the home, pest, and radon inspection. Once this was accepted, that means that the seller is going to take care of a potential laundry list of things that are going to be brought to his attention and our attention by the inspectors. It alleviated a lot of stress knowing that he's going to take care of that. As the saying goes, an ounce of prevention worth a pound of cure. Hope this helps. Ian McLeod, thank you.